Hey friends, this is Wendy with Love and Stampin. Excited that you're here with me today. I'm going to run you through really quick some of the retiring items from Stampin' Up. I pulled my stamp sets and I pulled my punches. And I really want to talk about for just one quick second because there is some confusion and it's not your fault. It's not demonstrator's fault. It's frankly the way Stampin' Up did it is a little confusing. So, the retiring items are, the list is available. These are the items that are retiring, but the sale on the retiring items does not start until April 4th. So the thing that I want you to understand and know is that if there are products that you really want, like you can't live without, like you're going to be heartbroken if you can't get them, I would go ahead and order them now. I hate to say that because there's a chance that the item will be discounted come April 4th, but there's also a chance the item will be sold out come April 4th, particularly the colors. So I've seen colors sell out in as little as one day or half a day. So I'm just saying, if there's something specific you want, I would go ahead and grab it now. Or wait for the, take a gamble and wait for the discounts. That's okay too. I just try to give you the best information I have. So here's some of the punches I have that are retiring. This reindeer, the postage stamp, the tulip, this essential tag. I forget what this is called. Let me grab I've got my catalog right here so I can look. It's called Lovely Labels Pick-a-Punch. So this one's retiring, but the other one is not. There's one called Banners Pick-a-Punch. It's staying in. This guy, Label Me Fancy, the Medium Daisy, the Jar, the Whale. This one, which is, what is this called? It's got a name. It's got a name. Label Me Lovely. So these are the punches that I own that are retiring. And so if there's any of these punches that you want, I would grab them. This tag one, this one here, the Label Me Lovely, there's some really good ones that are just very basic shapes that are great to have in your arsenal. So let's get those out of the way. And now I'm going to grab stamp sets. So I'm going to go through this pretty quickly because the pile is deep and wide, friends. It's deep and wide. So we've got Warm Welcome. Now I'm showing you stuff that's retiring from the annual and the mini catalog. Okay, so it's both. So we've got Warm. Now, okay, other thing to say. If they have coordinating dies like this one does, it's retiring too. I just haven't pulled the dies yet. Okay, so just letting you know. And then the other thing I want to say is if you're a demonstrator and you're watching this and you see a stamp set that I've pulled that is not retiring, please just leave me a comment and let me know. I did my very best, but the list is very tiny font and it's hard to read. So I did my very best, but if there's something you see and you're a demonstrator and you're like, no, that's not retiring, that's carrying over, please let me know in the comments below, and that way you're letting everybody else know too. Okay, so we've got Warm Welcome, Decorative Borders, Beautiful Thistle. These are, that's something else. Begin with a Dream, True Beauty, Shaded Summer, Occasionally Funny. This is one of my favorites and I've barely used it. Heavenly Hollyhocks, Happiness Abounds, Framed Florets. Miss Deborah, are you going to hand me another pile? Miss Deborah's here in the office with me. You can just hand me another pile and I'll keep going here. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, we've got Eclectic Garden, Blessings of Home, Lucky Clover, Desert Details, On the Farm. I always want to say dessert. Dessert. Sit, Stay, Relax, Lighthouse Point, and the dies for this too. Like I said, anything that has dies. Cottage Rose, I'm sad. Elephant Parade, I'm sad about that one. Happier Than Happy. Best Butterflies, which we just used in a YouTube live, so glad we used that one. That one's going away. Cheerful basket. I'm so sad about this one retiring. Cup of tea, dry brush, daisy garden, stacked stone, butterfly brilliance, kind and sincere, layered stripes. You're gonna see this in an upcoming video from me in April. Pretty medallion, which by the way, I haven't even used. I really like it though, so we may use that before it's all said and done. Hello Beautiful, Hydrangea Heaven. This has been around a long time. Hand penned petals. I don't know why that's hard to say. We've got Dragonfly Garden, Beauty of Friendship, Garden Birdhouses. I just got this stamp set. I'm really not happy. Mountain Air, Jar of Flowers, and you saw that jar punch is also retiring. Waterfall Canyon, Vintage Tools, Whiskey Business, Campology. It's still going, guys. It's still going. Hand Drawn Dots, Marigold Moments, Fragrant Flowers, Inspired Thoughts, Full of Love, Speedy Recovery, Forever Fern, Flowers of Friendship, Amazing Silhouettes. Remember when this came out? I used this quite a bit. Is that all of them?
No.
Oh.
Oh, no, no.
Oh, no, no. Oh, no, no, Miss Deborah said. No, 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 no. All right. We've got Nature's Harvest, Fresh Cut Flowers, Lovely You, Plentiful Plants, Count on Me. I'm sad about that one. It's a cutie patootie. Conversation Bubbles, Nested Friends, Brushed Bouquet, Eden's Garden, Party Puffins. Sad about that one. And this one, This Birthday Piggy. I think I'm going to keep this one because I also have the coordinating dies since my daughter's raising pigs for FFA, and I'm definitely keeping this one as well, the Peekaboo Farm. Whale Done, and that whale punch is also retiring. One Happy Family, Glad We're Friends, Nuts About Squirrels, Stitchery, we've got Friendly Gnomes, Greatest Journey, Rejoice in Him, Simply Fabulous, Art Gallery, Celebrate Sunflowers, Simply Succulents, Flowering Tulips, Lovely and Lasting. Now, this set is retiring, but the punch is staying. So the punch is in the new catalog. So it's not, everything's not retiring, just the stamp set. I think. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's right here. Oh no, that's the old catalog. Okay. Friends Are Like Seashells, Daffodil Daydream, Love Cats. I know the cats. Oh, Daffodil Daydream.
Yep.
Okay, we've got Better Days, Sunny Splash, A Little Cheesy, Framed Occasions, Peaceful Moments, Painted Poppies, Breaking News, Nothing's Better.
Is that one retired?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Nothing's Better Than, and Best Day. So that is all of the stamp sets that I own that are on the retiring list. Now, there are more than that, but that's the ones I own, which is a lot. I've got quite a sad little leftover collection. I'll tell you that right now. So, anyway, the old catalog, this is the old catalog that's going away on April. These are carrying over. April, wait, 30, no, wait a minute.
30th.
30th? Yeah, yes, April 30th. So, oops, sorry, they're not supposed to see that. Okay, so April 30th this ends. May 1st the new one begins. Skeeter just came in the room. I'm sure you can hear her. And so yeah, grab anything that you want to get now. This one's retiring also. Grab anything that you want now because they're going to be gone. Or you can hang out and wait for that that discount, there will be items up to 60% off. So just wanted to get this video up to you quick, fast, and in a hurry so that you would be able to make some decisions and see things with your own eyeballs, and not just on a big old long list, okay? Thanks so much for tuning in, and I look forward to talking to you. The link is below my video. If you have questions, you can comment. If you need to shop, the link is below my video. There's also a host code. Make sure to use that host code to get your free card kits if your order is $50 or more. I'll talk to you soon. I'll talk to you all soon. Have a good day. Bye-bye.